This video explains how to adjust the analog hands with digital time on your BabyG model BA-110 watch. Return back to the timekeeping mode to start the time settings. To start the analog setting mode, hold down the search button until the current time starts flashing. Adjust the analog hands with the digital time by pressing the search button. Holding down the search button advances the analog time at high speed. Then, pressing the light button keeps the high speed of the hand's movement. So, you can release the two buttons. Press any button to stop the hand movement. Adjust the analog hands with the digital time by pressing the search button. Exit from the setting mode to the timekeeping mode by pressing the adjust button.